Hey guys, you're wanting to be a Twitch affiliate streamer, right? Well, what if I can tell you that you can be a Twitch affiliate streamer in under a month? Are you interested? Awesome. Well, the Spanish King here can get you there in just a few easy steps. You ready? Let's get into it. Welcome to my kingdom. I am your host, the Spanish King, and I will be helping you get through these next few steps, very easy, very quick steps to become an affiliate in under a month. But before we dive in, we need to go over something very important, the requirements to becoming an affiliate. There are 4 requirements that you need to complete before you become an affiliate. Number 1, you need to have at least 500 minutes of broadcasting time in the last 30 days. Number 2, you need at least 7 unique broadcasting days in the last 30 days. Number 3, you need an average of 3 or more concurrent viewers over the last 30 days. Concurrent means that those 3 or more viewers are always there in your stream watching throughout the whole stream over the past 30 days. And finally, your last requirement is to have at least 50 followers. Out of those 4 requirements, the 2 hardest ones are definitely getting the 3 concurrent viewers and the 50 followers. Now with those requirements in your mind, here are the 5 steps that you need to do in order to become an affiliate under a month. Number 1, stream presentation. Number 2, schedule. Number 3, Twitch community. Number 4, social media. And number 5, games with viewers. Okay, so number 1 is stream presentation. This is where you brainstorm what you want to do and who you are when you're streaming. To become an affiliate quickly, you want to be remembered by the viewers. This could consist of, the games that you're playing, the things that you say, whatever your stream name is, that is all part of your streaming community. The things you do, the things you say, the way that you present yourself, those are all part of your streaming presentation, what your stream wants to be about. Your identity can all start from the name that you have for your stream, or the name that you have as a streamer. For example, my name on Twitch is Spanish King, so I have my own kingdom and my whole stream is basically based off of my name. If your Twitch name is, for example, XD420, super streamer or something like that, then you can't really go off of that to make your own identity. The first thing that you could do then is to rebrand yourself or rename yourself on Twitch and make another name that is more recognizable, more easily connectable with. If not with your Twitch name, then you can just create a mascot, something that people can connect with. For example, Admiral Baru has his own panda that people really enjoy connecting with and having fun with. Just a little tip to help you pass the affiliate stage when you're making your emotes. You want something that you can make emotes very easily with. And your stream name or your Twitch name or your mascot are both very easy ways that you could use to create your stage or your mark, your brand. Another big tip is that you would want to have a webcam so people can see you and interact with your facial expressions. Now, a webcam is not mandatory, but it is very helpful for you to create your image and to grow. Some of you may be thinking, I don't have a friendly face or I'm not really that attractive. That doesn't matter. As long as people can see you and interact with you, that will help them stay and remember who you are, as well with your brand and with your mark, whatever it is that you want to do. All of that to say is that take time, invest before you start really streaming to create something that people will remember. 2, I can't express how important scheduling is. People will remember you better if you have a consistent schedule that you keep on going to. But if you have a 9-to-5 job every single day and you can only stream Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, then do so. Or Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday from 6 to 11. Something that is healthy, that doesn't make people think that you're inconsistent. Keep to a schedule that is easy to manage and that people will remember that, hey, so-and-so streams from 7 to 10 on Tuesday, Thursdays, and Fridays. There is something that I have to warn you against. Some people believe that if they have a day off in their schedule that they do surprise streams that are against their schedule. Do not do that. The reason being is that you could use that time for something else stream involved, but doesn't have to be streaming. In other words, you could use that free time to invest even more in your streaming visually. What I mean by that is making your channel look more approachable, having some more tabs or some more notes in the bottom of your stream to make people come back to you. You can use that time to invest more in your Streamlabs or your OBS or whatever system you use. If you go against the schedule that you have, people will be confused and wondering, hey, is this guy really on these certain times, or is he just a streamer that does whatever? That's where you can see scheduling is very important for you to grow, as well as to keep concurrent viewers all the time. Number 3, investing into the Twitch community. One of the best ways to grow and keep your community is by investing into other people's communities. The time you're investing into big time streamers like Shroud or Ninja can also be used to invest into smaller streamers. Now, I'm not talking about small streamers like 5 or 2 concurrent viewers. I'm talking about anywhere between 30 to 45, 50 viewers. You see, when you invest your time into these kind of communities, these people will actually remember who you are whenever you come back to the stream. What I mean by investing is talking to the streamer, talking to the people that are in the stream, interacting with them, sharing jokes, whatever. You just need to do whatever you can do so that people will remember who you are whenever you come back to their channel. Most of the time, they will also have a Discord that you can join, which is very helpful, and you should definitely do all that you can to try and join that Discord. Once you're in the Discord, talk to people, interact with that community as well. Make yourself a little bit more well known in that community so that they can remember you. Now, the number one worst thing that you could ever do is self-promoting. Do not, under any circumstance, promote yourself in anybody else's community. People will instantly view you as a nuisance and as spam, and you do not want that if you want to grow. And I mean this for the Discord channel or even on their Twitch stream. Just don't promote yourself. It's the worst thing you can do for your own stream. Don't do it. The best thing you can do is that when you find that streaming community that you really enjoy, subscribe to that person. That will make you even more memorable, and also other people will start to recognize who you are as well in their community. Even more than that, this streamer could be more prone to, host you or raid you sometime when you're on. Keep that in mind as you go about finding more streamers that you enjoy watching. Number 4, and one of the most important steps, is your social media. What you want to do here is invest time into creating your social media. This includes your Twitter, your Instagram, your Facebook, your Discord, and much, much more. Now, what you want to do first is, and this is very important, is to create your account that is separate from your personal account. Creating your streaming image on your personal account can have a lot of negative repercussions. So what you want to do is create separate accounts for your Twitch and your streaming. With these separate accounts, that's when you start promoting yourself through clips that you have from your stream. And you want to post clips fairly regularly so that people can come back to your social accounts and see, oh, there's something new. You also want to create the proper hashtags that will go with the clips so that people that don't know you can find you through those hashtags. Twitter is one of, if not the biggest social media platforms that most streamers use. Therefore, you want to create a profile that will be easily recognizable and that someone can come back to all the time. After having all of these social media platforms, have them linked on your Twitch so that people can easily find your social media. Again, social media is very important for people to know what's going on, who you are, and to stay in your community. And step number 5 is playing games that viewers can connect to, as well as maybe even play with you. This is closely linked to your scheduling because then you can say, okay, on Mondays I'll play this kind of game, on Wednesday I'll play this game, on Friday I'll play this game. Or if you're not a variety streamer, you'll just say, on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, I'm playing this specific game, and try and grow through that. That way viewers will know which days you're playing what so that they can come and support or have fun with you or stay in your channel. Some games that can help you grow and keep a community are the type of games where viewers can actually play with you. Some examples are Jackbox, Marbles on Stream, Domina. Those kind of games are the kind of games that people really like to enjoy and interact with you. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like, please like and subscribe right here. If you would like to see me streaming live, I'll be live on Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 7 to 10, and my Twitch channel is below. I also do video editing, so if you would like to contact me, please either leave me a comment below. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the other side as a Twitch affiliate.